Hey there, Social Security family. It's Elias from Elise USA, and I've got September 2025 payment news that's going to make this month absolutely incredible for your financial security. Whether you're receiving SSI, SSDI, Social Security retirement, or VA benefits, this video will cover everything when it comes to your benefits and finances. Look at this fake Social Security statement emails trick users into installing remote tool. And a number of seniors are already victims of it. I'm going to give you more details about it. But at the same time, Senator Bill Cassidy delivered encouraging news to millions of Social Security recipients. Watch this.
Senator Kaine and I have a bipartisan bill that would attempt to address that, even increasing benefits for those at the lower income scale. That's not this committee, but I just want to mention.
He said, Senator Kaine and I have a bipartisan bill that would attempt to address that, even increasing benefits for those at the lower income scale. That's not this committee, but I just want to mention it. I'm going to show you this entire video clip. And remember, this is huge because Bill Cassidy openly supports President Donald J. Trump, and when a bill comes from him that could increase the benefits for millions of Social Security, SSI, and SSDI recipients, that is a milestone achievement. But at the same time, look at this. Press release. Senator Bernie Sanders proposes legislation to restore Social Security cuts made under Trump and Musk. I'm going to give you every detail about this in today's update. All I need is a small favor. It takes just 2 seconds. Please smash that like button so more seniors and families can see this update. And without wasting time, let's get into the video.
As an aside, by the way, Ms. Friedman, I agree with you regarding social. And one thing that we've ignored so far is that in 8 years, there'll be a 20% cut by law in social benefits. Senator Kaine and I have a bipartisan bill that would attempt to address that, even increasing benefits for those at the lower income scale. That's not this committee, but I just want to mention that because Social Security getting a cut of 20% would be anti-worker, anti-patient, anti.
Now, let's start with the most urgent warning. Right now, a shocking scam has hit Social Security recipients. Seniors are getting fake emails that appear to be official. Many victims report that after clicking, their bank accounts were drained, personal data leaked, and monthly benefits stopped. Look at this. These fake emails pretend to be from the Social Security Administration, but in reality, they push you to install a program called Screen Connect. This is a remote access tool, and once it's on your device, scammers have full control. From there, they can see your Social Security payment details, change your direct deposit bank info, and even lock you out of your own online SSA account. They can also attempt identity theft, creating fake IDs in your name and using your benefits for themselves. This is terrifying because millions of seniors depend on those checks just to survive. Imagine waiting all month for your $1,400 Social Security payment, only to find out that someone else changed your routing details and stole your money. If you ever receive such an email, here's the only safe thing to do. Never click any links. Instead, call the Social Security Administration directly at their official number, or log into SSA.gov by typing it yourself, never from an email link. Quick action can prevent your entire financial life from being hijacked. But let's balance this bad news with good news. Senator Cassidy recently went on record explaining that unless Congress acts, Social Security faces an automatic 20% cut in 8 years. He and Senator Kaine have introduced a bipartisan plan to protect benefits and even raise payouts for lower-income retirees. Cassidy makes it clear that this cut would be anti-worker, anti-patient, and anti-family. His statement drew nationwide attention because it shows momentum toward real reform. The proposal includes a $1.5 trillion investment fund to keep Social Security solvent. Experts estimate that if passed, some seniors could see increases of $500 to $900, depending on income and current benefit levels. That's life-changing for struggling retirees. And because Cassidy is a Republican working alongside Kaine, This could be one of the few bipartisan Social Security efforts that stands a chance in 2025. Still, frustration remains. Other proposals, like Senator Josh Hawley's $600 tariff rebate stimulus bill, made headlines but never moved forward. They introduce them, talk about them on the news, but then the bills stall. You'll notice that foreign aid packages get approved overnight, yet help for American seniors drags for months or years. That's why advocacy is critical. Lawmakers like Bernie Sanders, John Larson, Elizabeth Warren, and many others have proposed bold Social Security expansions. Yet most of those bills never even reach a vote. There are currently over 74 million Americans on Social Security, and nearly 5 million are under the poverty line. In the richest nation on earth, our seniors shouldn't have to choose between food, rent, and medicine while billions are sent overseas. Here on this channel, we'll continue exposing these issues and demanding action. Seniors, the disabled, and low-income families must be prioritized. Tell me in the comments, do you think Congress will finally take action, or will these bills continue to collect dust? Thanks for watching, and stay alert for scams. More updates are on the way, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell. I'll see you soon.